Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1970 Chevelle SS. I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Beautiful car, bro.
Thank you.
So 396 under the hood, 4-speed.
Yes.
12-bolt rear. Any recent work done to it?
We just installed a new clutch, new flywheel, rear end cover, holds a little more fluid now.
Okay.
New shocks all around. Everything was put back together with ARP Bolts.
What kind of clutch was it?
It's a carbon Kevlar.
Carbon Kevlar. Great.
4-speed. Try to keep the original, add a little bit more strength, but not too crazy.
Yeah. Beautiful color. Looks like Fathom blue.
That's correct.
White stripes. White interior. Sitting on some rallies, wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. The rims almost look like 8-inch all the way around. Got the correct oval tips on the back. Sounds delicious. Sounds great.
Oh, I love the sound.
New shocks also, right?
Yep.
Can't get tired of the sound, jeez.
Never.
Probably hard just to fill up the gas tank in another gas station.
It's all about how many miles per gallon, not miles, you know?
Yeah. It's got a working Cowl induction.
It does.
Man, beautiful restoration. God. The blue really complements the white interior, and the white stripes just really bring it all together.
Nice, too. The hood's a little bit easier to keep clean than black.
Yeah, big time. Probably looks blackish at night too, right?
Oh, it's almost dependent on the lighting. It's
Vintage sound. Added a little pressure per shifter. Beautiful dash, gorgeous interior, fantastic headliner. Got the correct seat belts in here as well. He also added vintage air conditioning. Hey Rob, can you pop the hood?
Sure.
And she is 396, 350 horse, power steering, power brakes. You got disc up front, drum in the rear. Brand new air conditioning system through vintage air. Monster BeCool Radiator keeps the 396 big block cool. Rosso catch can. Electronic distributor. About 4-valve carburetor with electronic choke. This is working Cowl induction. Optima Battery. Sounds so good. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from Weeby Autos. feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. So webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.